today. Wonder what it will be. Biscuits, muffins, rolls, sweet bread. Will it be made in bread machine or in a pan in the oven?
So in the bread maker, I got 1/8 of the cup of milk, adding 1/8 of the cup of water, adding 1 egg, so to our milk, water, egg mixture, we're going to add 1/3 of cup of sour cream to that. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of bread flour. So I added 2 cups of bread flour. Have you figured out what we're making yet? So we're going to add, you will soon see what we're making. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of onion soup mix. Yep, we're making onion bread. That's what we're making. And I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. And 2 teaspoons of butter, which I cut up in little pieces. And you know the drill. The rest of the bread machine recipe, we just turn it on, select our crust color, and let it go.
I know the easy road, all smooth talk, shallow soul. I've worn that plastic smile, felt my own heart go cold. Keep me different, Lord. Let my words sound like grace. Keep me different, Lord. When the crowd turns away, I just want to look like you every moment, every day. Chase a flash of gold. I'm reaching for